we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are now recording, hopefully the screen and hopefully my voice. I'm not sure if it doesn't have the voice, but I have split the screen, and then we are going to look at how can you use dictionary.com to help you complete your homework assignment. The first assignment is only to put the part of speech, the syllables, and the definition. Everything else is going to come later as segments that are being given piece by piece. So first thing, and if you have a dictionary in your home, a paperback dictionary, then you are able to use that. But dictionary.com is available for anyone who does not have a dictionary in your home. So your child and the students have been given an assignment spelling words with the sounds of K, KW, and N. And with that, you are going to wind up having a sheet that has all of the 20 words. There's about 11 lines between each word, because by the time we keep adding the little segments of the assignments over the next week, it might take that. We don't know how long is the definition going to be. How many synonyms or antonyms? We don't know that. How long and much space will I need to write the sentence? But none of that is going to be done for this first assignment. The first assignment means I am going to do only part of speech, syllables, and definition. If you do not have the dictionary, so let's say I type in the word incorrectly for dictionary.com. I'm going to type in Queit. If I type the word in wrong, it says not found. So I need to go back and I need to look, oh, I spelled it wrong. So you can click on it or retype it and it brings you to the word. So the first thing that you are going to do in your assignment is you need to put the part of speech. And we're not writing the whole word. We're going to use the abbreviation. And you need to write all of the different parts of speech. So it's an ADJ, an adjective, and it's also a verb. Those are the two types of parts of speech. So next, I need to look at quiet and see how is it in its syllables. So right here, let me see if that gives me a better way. No, that's phonetic. So quiet. I'm not always real happy with how it shows it. See how it does down here? It's so much easier to see the dots. The dots divide it into a syllable. So I know quiet. It has one dot for quiet, so it is a 2-syllable word. So over here in my page, I'm going to write QUI. Then I like to use a dash. A dot is hard for me to see. So you use the dash, QUIET. So you have the word that was given to you, the part of speech, and now you have the syllable. And I have the definition, and I'm going to write it right here. Making no noise or sound, especially no disturbing sound. And that's it. I'm done. I move on to number 2. I'm going to go look up aches. I should put a dash there. Excuse me. So I can go right up here, make that blue, and I type in ACHES, aches. And there is the word aches. So I now have part of speech, it's verb and noun. I have ache, and sometimes ache. It's one syllable. So I don't have to do anything. There is no dot. Ache. There is no dot, so I don't have to rewrite it. It's one syllable. And then I'm going to because I don't want to do all my work for you. I would write, I will do it, but I'm going to, it's a verb, it's a noun. It has only one syllable, so I don't have to rewrite it. And there it is, to have or suffer a continuous dull pain. And what I am telling you, as we start this, we're new at this. I am only asking that you write the first definition of the first form of word form. So you only have to write to have or suffer a continuous dull pain. All right. So once you have that, and you're just going to keep going, you've got 20 words, and you're going to only write part of speech, syllables, and the definition. Shake, one syllable. Knock, one syllable. Jacket, two syllables, so you'll have to look it up. Quarter, quickly. Knowing, quarrel. Speaker, questions. Kneeling, earthquake. Mechanic, oh my goodness, mechanic. It's 3 syllables. It's gonna have 2 dots in it. So you're gonna find, where do those dots go? Orchestra, it has 2 dots, 3 syllables. Orchestra. Knot hole, inquire, sequence, require, and character. So those are your words for this week. And the only thing in your first assignment is to do part of speech. And if it's more than one part of speech, write it, all of them, so we know what are the different parts of speech. Put what is the syllable by putting the dash, and you can find that if it's more than one syllable, it'll have the dash. And making no noise or sound, especially no disturbing sound, and your definition. And that's all you're going to do. So then you're going to click check, because it's done, at least to this point. And it is in my sample student folder. And what's going to happen is then, as I keep adding your additional assignments, you're going to then go to edit, post, but you don't need to know that right now. I will show you how to do that. So at this point, all you're going to do, let's see, are you want to cancel? Okay, because I didn't make any changes. I am in my assignment. All right, I am going to stop the recording. Let's see, stop my recording. Stop recording. Stop recording.